So we will add this velocity stack piece and let's see how it will fit. Of course I will need to cut here. So this is how it's supposed to look like. So we'll reduce the length so this. So this is how it's look. This is the filter, PCV, suction, math. Let's see how it will fit. As a reference, it's let's say from here to here, it's like 40 centimeter. Reducer, it's like this, not like this or like this, so it's like this, it's going down because the throttle body is going up, so you will need a 45-degree to take it down. So the cone is touching here and touching this hose here. I don't know, I think it's the AC, but anyways, it's fine. I wish the cone could go there more near the vent, but it cannot be smaller than this, so I guess it's fine. You just need a heat shield here and that's it. So this is the final cooled air intake for the 2ZZ swap. So installed the PC valve or PC suction thing, the MAF sensor, and everything is okay there. So let's see if the battery will fit or